So this theme tune from the Formula 1 called The Chain from Fleetwood Mac goes like this. Starts on the 5th string, then it goes 0, 2, 3. If you're finding it difficult to read tab, then make sure you check out my video on reading tab. That will help you out massively there, and you'll be able to play all these tunes. So then from here we go 2, 0 to the 3rd fret 6th string, and this is probably one of the faster parts. And as you can see from the plectrum movements, I'm going down, up, down with the pick or the plectrum. And from here we're going straight back to that 5th string with an upstroke. So from the beginning, here. So that's the next fast part, which you want to practice separately probably. So we go down, up, down. So that's 3rd fret, 6th string, open 5th, and the 2nd fret with it down with the plectrum. So yeah, do isolate this. Practice this by itself. See how fast you can get it. And then obviously we've got an open E there at the end. From the beginning. And we'll do it slower this time. Here we go. 3, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. I hope you enjoyed that. Get yourself in the Guitar Practice VIP Facebook group where you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.